fishing today, but it's not gonna be the ocean. We have, you probably can't hear anything I'm saying, but that's why we're not going to the ocean. We're gonna go into the river and try to get some trout and redfish. Alright, so you probably couldn't hear anything I was saying. It is rough as could be today, so we're gonna go to the river. I got a couple dozen shrimp. I'm just gonna throw some live bait around some docks and some mangroves. Maybe we'll be able to get a redfish or trout or snook or something. So, it's really just, we got a lot of wind coming up, so gotta find something to do when it's windy. Alright, I'm gonna be real with you. I got pretty low expectations for the day. So first we're gonna go get some breakfast. We did recruit 2 new anglers. We got Nick and Alyssa joining us. Here's Nick. Put a little picture of him up like right here. And Alyssa right there. So we're gonna go to the river, pitch some shrimp, screw around, have some fun, just mess around, and hopefully we get some good fish to show you guys. Stay tuned. All right, we're here with 2015 Lady Angler of the Year, Alyssa Kawasaki, and her manager, Nick Furrow. We got some shrimps. We're gonna see what's hungry out on this dock. You frequent this place, right?
All the time.
What's been swimming around in these waters? Shh, be quiet.
What's it supposed to say?
I don't know. What's been in here?
Tarpon.
All right, we're going for tarpon now. Look at him jumping around there. All right, we got a little 1-0 hook, shrimp hook through the head. We're just gonna pitch him around and see what we got. Ooh, there's one right there blowing up. Oh no, he's getting me on the pilings.
Dinner, son.
Mangrove thumped it. Got that whole shrimp in his mouth. You know there's 100 of them if there's one. Give me that back. Actually, we'll let him eat it. We'll let him keep that. Gonna bite your ear.
Get the fuck out of here.
Don't let him get you on that rope though. I got one too. Oh, I missed mine.
Dinner, son.
That's a good sheepy.
There you go, Joey. Here's $4 for you.
Look at that thing. Dude, we may have to invite that one home.
Uh-oh. Am I over you?
Nah, you're good, you're good.
That's a good sheepy. Hold him up, Nick.
You hold her like Kyla.
You nerd. What'd you do?
Did he get you?
Yeah.
You're gonna get into that rope.
I know, and there was something on it, so I didn't want to.
She is hogging this whole area. Oh, we got one in the structure.
Joey's hooked up.
I'm hooked up. He's gonna get me in the pile. He's got me on the piling though.
Look at that boil.
Look at the boil. Oh, another sheepy. All right. Gotta go for some acrobatics. There he goes.
Oh, Les. Hold on, bring it over here and stick your rod out.
Look at that, he almost sprayed me off right there.
Here, no, go all the way to the end, try to jig it.
Get that thing away from my foot.
Look at that sheepy.
Motherfucker.
Come on, Nick, seriously, watch your language. What you got, Alyssa?
Rope.
You're really making it. In the baits. We got real head shake.
We got him on.
What you caught?
I don't know.
It's not a, it's a trout.
A little baby redfish.
Oh, is it?
We going for a piling or a flip? All right, he's coming over. Oh, he jumped right over the rope. Baby redfish on.
Oh, that's
You guys know how to paralyze a redfish? Hold them just like that and they stop moving. Right in the dead center of the body. It makes them stop moving every time. But if you try to hold them like by the gills, they freak out. But then dead center of the body, they stop moving. Little trick I learned. Like he's got look at you got an injury on him. He got like hit by something. There. Little one spotter. Fish. Better redfish. Look at that one. He ate just the shrimp head. That actually might be a keeper redfish, but we're not keeping him today. Where's he hooked? Where's he hooked?
Red.
Flipodie. 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 Nice redfish. Same thing. Hold them dead center in the body and they don't move. Nick, I can hear you talking smack over there, but what have you caught? A sheephead? This is a 20-inch redfish.
I'll give it to you, Joe. That's a good fish.
Come for between the legs release. There he goes. Oh, there he is. Fish on. It's the same redfish I already caught. Cleaning off the rope.
What kind of dog is that?
What kind of dog is that? They're cool looking when they're little though.
Does he have a mark on him?
Does he have a mark?
Oh, on the artificial
Get out of here. You mean a spot?
mark.
He's got a little spot on his tail.
No, remember the one that had the cut?
Oh, that was the bigger. Oh, no, you're right.
Dinner.
Alright guys, so that went pretty much the way I thought it would. We got a few little fish. It was definitely a fun way to spend a windy day because we weren't going to be able to fish the inlet or the surf or anything like that. And this thing right here. If you're on an antibiotic and it says it's going to make you sensitive to the sun, just go ahead and believe it. Don't go out in the sun and get fried, and that's what that is. But anyways, this is what I'm doing right now. These are a couple hats I've been ordered over the past, over the weekend, shipping out today on Monday. We got the largemouth, we got snooks, we got peacock, we got red snapper and tarpon, and these are real cork. And they're all available on my website. So if you like the channel and you want to support my business, it's h2ovinyldesigns.com. Head on over there, look at all the designs, and pick out your favorite one. Get it shipped right to your door with free shipping. The cork hats are $27, and the foam hats are $20. So thanks for watching, and you'll probably be seeing, I think we're going to go do some nighttime snook fishing tonight, so I'll put that up in the next video. So we'll see you then. Later.